Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about 3D formula. With 3D formula we can calculate across hundreds of sheets, and you can see here I have just 3 sheets. I want to apply a formula here. Okay, let's start. I just select the cell, put equal sign, come to salary 2020. I want to calculate this. I want to find the total. Select the cell plus next sheet plus next sheet. We just select the cell, the last cell, and we don't go to another sheet. I just press enter. You can see I have found the total of these 3 years, and when I drag this, it works automatically at the same. Yep, it works just fine. But here is a problem. Now we have 3 sheets, but if we have hundreds of sheets, what should we do? So in that moment the 3D formula came in. So I just want to delete this, and in this time I just select the cell equal, and I just write the function sum tab, and I come to the first sheet and I select that. After that, when I select this, I press on shift and I come to click on the last sheet. You can see I have selected all of these, and if you see in the formula salary 2020 till salary 2022 and before. One thing you should have always in your mind, that in 3D formula the structure should be the same, and enter. You can see it works magically, and you just use the fill handle and drag it down. You can see it works just fine. Whenever we use 3D formula, we should not change the place of the sheet. For example, I have selected from salary 2020 to salary 2022. I change its place. I just drag this and drop it here. When I come back to my total, you can see totally changed. It was 30 before, now it is 20. And when I drag it back to its place, now I have 29. Whenever you're playing with 3D formula, we should be careful about these things, like about dragging, about replacing the sheets. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.